Hello children, a very good morning. Hope you all are fine. So children, in our last class we were discussing about long division. So in long division what we do is we write if 9 divided by 3 is given. So how we write that? Yes, we write like this. So whatever to be divided, that is written inside this one. So this is 9 and the divisor, that means the number with which we are dividing, that you have to write on the left side of that. And the question, the answer is written here on the up or top of this one, right? So this is the divisor, 9 is the dividend and the answer is the question. And whatever after subtracting, like 3 3s are 9, right? You have to subtract. Why we are subtracting? Yes. Why? Because division is nothing but this is repeated subtraction, right? So 3 3s are 9 we will do. So 9 minus 9 we will get 0. So whatever we are getting like here, that is called as remainder. Okay children? So similarly, if the question is like 10 divided by 2, you have to follow 2 table and you have to find whether we are getting 10 or not. So 2 5s are 10. So 10 minus 10 you will get 0. So 5 is the answer children. Okay. Now if whatever the number is there, the number to be divided, if it is not there in the table, that means if larger numbers are there, then how we will divide? Today we will discuss about that one. So first you see what the process is given in your textbook. Then I will explain you. Then I will do the same thing in my notes and I will show you how to do. So just follow what I am saying. So if, for example, here you can see 4, yes, 48 divided by 4. Now, so here you can see 48 divided by 4 means, so read 4 table. Is 48 there in 4 table? Yes. So can you tell me, is 48 there in 4 table? No, right? Till 40 only we have. So because 48 we don't have in 4 table. So what we have to do is, so this is called as what? Division of large numbers, because 48 is not there in 4 table. So now if the number is larger, then what you have to do is you have to divide each unit, like each digit first. So you have to start with the 10 digit, then you have to divide with the 1 digit. So children, always remember that in your multiplication what you were doing, yes, you were starting with the ones place. But you remember that in division you have to first subtract the first digit, that is a tens place. Then you have to move to the ones place. Okay. Now what you have to do is, so here you can see 4, you have to write like this, 48 in middle. Here in the left side you have to write 4. Now you have to write the 4 table. Then you have to see this first digit is there or not in the table. So 4 1s are 4, it is there. So 1 you have to write, then 4. Here 4. 4 minus 4 you will get 0. Now get this particular number down. So 8 will come down. So 0 is the answer of this subtraction. 8 we have to bring 8 down. Don't be confused children. Only the first step is what? You have to write 4 1s are 4. Subtract here 0. Bring the other number down. 0 8. Now again you have to read 4 table, right? So is 8 there in the 4 table or not? That you have to see. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So it is there. So 4 2. You have to write 4 2s are 8. Now again 8 minus 8 you will get 0. So your answer is 12 and the remainder is 0. Understood? So now I'll show you how to do that in the notes. So children, here you can see the second bit of exercise 5.4. You have to follow the same method that I have just told you. Okay. So I'll solve the A bit. So here you can see 68 divided by 2. So I have written 68 in the middle. 2 I have written on the left side. Next, what is the step? Yes, you have to write the table. 2 table I have written here. Okay children. Now, what I have to do? Yes, this particular 6 is there in the table or not, I have to see. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Yes, it is there. So I have to circle it. So 2 3s are 6. I have to write 2 3s are 6. Now I have to subtract 6 minus 6. Yes, this is 0. Now bring this number down. After subtraction, immediately you have to bring the second number down. Now 0, 8. Now the next step is what? You have to see whether 8 is there in 2 table or not. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Yes, it is there. 2 4s are 8. So 2 4s are 8. So 8 means 0, 8. So 8 minus 8. Again you will get 0. So the answer is what? 34. 34 is the quotient. Okay children, once again I am saying 68 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor, 34 is the quotient, 0 is your remainder. Hope you understood. Try all the bits from second one. If you have any doubt, please message me.